The Google Pixel Watch 2 is the latest fitness and wellness tracking smartwatch from Google. But is it worth it? Well, that depends on what you use today. Since I use an Android phone, I can pair this watch with my smartphone and I get all kinds of benefits from that pairing. Without an Android phone, this conversation's essentially over. Now, with an Android phone, you can get all kinds of messaging apps to come through and you can respond using a number of quick replies on this watch. You're getting integration with a number of apps like the Google Home app if you want to control your smart home, or the Google Assistant if you want to do things like make a quick timer on your watch. Those pairings are very useful. Now, as a fitness tracker, there's a lot of good information that comes out of this watch, but you should be warned that Google requires you to have a subscription to Fitbit for some of the really in-depth information. There's still enough for most people without that subscription, but some of that good detail is hidden behind a paywall. And it's the same story for sleep data, which is one of the most useful parts of any fitness or wellness band. While you do get some of the sleep data, I would say that in two ways you might have concerns. One being that the subscription to Fitbit gives you the really detailed data. Two, the battery life lasts about a day and a half before you have to charge. So you may find that this watch doesn't always allow you to go to bed with it. But on the flip side, it's not a very long charging time. 30 minutes will do it most of the time. The Fitbit subscription is actually really good once you have it, and the data you're getting out of this watch is fantastic. So just be ready for the extra cost that comes with this, and then make sure you have an Android phone, and this is worth it in a lot of ways.